Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of the AOCHUAN M2PRO and the AOCHUAN XPRO kit. Both of these gimbals promise to enhance your smartphone videography, but they cater to different users. The M2PRO is designed for casual vloggers looking for an affordable option, while the XPRO kit targets professionals seeking advanced features. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of stabilization, features, and price. When it comes to stabilization, the AOCHUAN M2PRO offers a one-axis stabilization system, which is suitable for casual users but may not provide the level of stability needed for more dynamic shots. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN XPRO kit features a three-axis stabilization system, ensuring smoother footage even during intense movements. This makes the XPRO kit a better choice for professional videographers who require high-quality stabilization. The AOCHUAN M2PRO is equipped with basic features like AI face tracking and a built-in RGB fill light, making it user-friendly for casual users. However, the AOCHUAN XPRO kit stands out with its OLED display, magnetic RGB fill light, and focus/zoom controls, providing advanced functionalities that cater to professional needs. This difference in features significantly impacts the usability and versatility of each gimbal. Price is a crucial factor when choosing between these two gimbals. The AOCHUAN M2PRO is priced at a budget-friendly $59, making it an attractive option for beginners and casual users. In contrast, the AOCHUAN XPRO kit comes with a higher price tag of $115, reflecting its advanced features and professional-grade performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and the level of functionality you require. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN M2PRO and the XPRO kit have their strengths and weaknesses. The M2PRO is perfect for those just starting with smartphone videography, while the XPRO kit is tailored for professionals seeking superior performance. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.